How to deactivate my Snapchat account permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate my Snapchat account permanently. Open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Go to the chat section. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or username at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or a cog. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Delete Account option. Give it a tap. Now, you will be asked to enter your username and password for verification purposes. Fill in the required information. Finally, tap on the Continue button to confirm the permanent deactivation of your account. And there you have it. Your Snapchat account has been deactivated permanently. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.